Welcome to your fourth set of derivative rules. These rules will be shown in flashcard style so that you may study from them and or write them down so that you have your own set of rules to reference when solving derivative problems. Let's get started. The sum rule. If you have a function f of x equals g of x plus h of x, then the derivative of that function is f prime of x equals g prime of x plus h prime of x. The difference rule. If you have a function f of x equals g of x minus h of x, then the derivative of that function is f prime of x equals g prime of x minus h prime of x. The constant multiple rule. If you have a function f of x equals a times g of x, then the derivative of that function is f prime of x equals a times g prime of x. The reciprocal rule. If you have a function f of x equals 1 over g of x, then the derivative of that function is f prime of x equals negative g prime of x divided by the square of g of x. Alright you guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked this video, please subscribe for more. If you want more videos like this, please give this one a thumbs up. And if you want to connect with us, please leave a comment below and try to reach out to us on our social media pages linked in the description. Thanks and happy studying.